What a nice place to sit. Is that your pup?
This is mommy.
There's a camera. Camera? You have your pup? Can you sign pup?
Up.
Can you sign pig? Pig. What about horse? Horse. What about cat? Cat. Is that cat? How about farm? Farm.
The
Farm.
mother.
The camera. What about, what about, is that pig? What about cookie? How do you sign cookie? I didn't see. Can you show me again? Cookie, that's squirrel, isn't it? Oh, you're gonna squish it. Isn't it squirrel? Do you want to see Mama? Alright, hold on. Hello. Hi.
Mama. Mama.
This is Milo. He's eating your thing. Milo. Okay. Okay, go ahead and eat it.